pussy, trademark in my brand new bitch. Yeah, hold up, hold up, sis. LLC the Glock, and I LLC my bitch. Cash me the rock, I go crazy on my kids. Had to tell my grandma sit back, relax and shit.
Hello, my fellow baddies, and welcome back to another episode of We Not Paying These Hoes to Do Our Hair No More. The wig that I am showing you is from Amazon, of course. The company name, I believe, they're called RESHOW Beauty. I'll leave a link in the description. But this hair was customized by me, plucking, bleaching. You already know how I do. I don't gotta explain myself. Check out that last video. This wig was about $180, 26 inches, very thick, shiny, true to length. I honestly think it was a little bit longer, but yo, this wig was all that. As always, make sure you are cleaning up around your hairline, or else your glue will not lay properly. It won't stick at all. Make sure you are applying any foundation or concealer that is your shade to your lace, girl. You don't want to be out here looking crazy with no white lace. You want to make sure everything is blended in correctly. I'm trying to make my installs, like every install I do, honestly, I want it to be beginner friendly. So if y'all see me repeating the steps all the times in my video, this is for the girls that just don't know. I do it every time for the girls that just don't know. And right here, I am cutting off around, I'm not going to say around, I'm cutting off that extra lace that's on top of my ear, which made the wig lay better. So if you're gonna do this, I suggest you do it if you always have trouble laying the sides of the wig down, because cutting it like this works wonders. I promise you. Jumping right into it, we're just gonna take my Ebin lace spray. Ladies, get this. If you ain't got it, why you still watching this video? Go get it. Oh, wait, no, finish watching this video, then go get it. But I'm just taking small amounts of that. A little does go a long way, so you just want to take small amounts of that and press that against your hairline. You're not supposed to do it with your finger, but hey, it was easier for me that way, so that's what I did. And I'm taking the smallest little pumps I can, because sometimes I can overdo it. So I take my small pumps, and then I let that sit, and then I go in with a hot comb. I don't know why I did this. I felt like it would add something to it, but I like the way it came out. And then after that, I just take my blow dryer. The setting is always on cool, and I let that dry, and I do that on both sides. And again, I'm just repeating the same process I did on the opposite side. This is still like a small pump. I just didn't, I did it all in once instead of each pump. But it was still like a little bit of spray. Again, just combing that through, and then I'm going to hit that with my hot comb and then my blow dryer on cool. If you guys are learning from my videos, can you let me know? Can you leave some comments in these comment section, because I want to know. I don't like the fact that hairstylists always texting y'all, "Hey boo," at 8:30 and your appointment at 9. First of all, I think that's very rude. Second of all, what's a hey boo? What you mean? What's going on? I'm just going to take my elastic band and wrap that around. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, I left my elastic band on for like an hour while I crimped my hair. Leave your elastic band on for as long as you can, because I feel as though that helps the lace melt better. So leave it on for as long as you want to. Don't leave it on for no 30 minutes. Leave it on there for like an hour. You gonna get the same result. You gonna get some good results, trust me. But getting into this hair, I decided to crimp this hair. I got the crimper from Amazon. It was about $20. Let me tell y'all this. I understand why these hairstylists be charging y'all $35 for some crimps. Okay, this one section took me an hour. Okay, this ain't nothing to play with. All right, so I understand. So once I got to the middle of my head, I was done crimping my hair. I was over it. I was tired. So I got halfway there, and then I took my elastic band off and then just proceeded with cutting off the rest of that excess lace. My cutting job was bomb this time. Yeah, I cheated a little bit and went underneath that baby hair, but I think that's what they be doing. I honestly think that's what they be doing. So I don't care. I'm gonna let y'all see everything, because I think that's what they be doing. So I just cut underneath that baby hair like it was nothing, okay? And just proceeded with my lace removal. Just to cover up a little bit of that lace, I went in with that concealer I used earlier, just to cover up any spots that I missed. So now I'm just redoing my part. My part was a little slanted, so I just had to make sure I fixed it. I couldn't be on this joint looking crazy. So I just want to make sure that but you want to make sure that when you are doing this, everything is symmetrical. God forbid your hairline be off. Everybody and their mom start talking about you. But once you get your part down, you just want to go over it with your hot comb, get everything nice and flat, and that looked really nice. And you just want to do it. See how easy this was, y'all? Y'all can do this. So I do have a bald spot, and that's from me plucking before I knew where my part was, so I was just plucking. But that's an easy fix, a little 1-2. So I just got some black spray hair dye and just gave it a little 1-2, couple pumps. Good to go. Make sure you hit that part with some concealer. Don't just leave it. Make sure you hit it with some concealer so it can look like, a part, Y'all, I was fighting for my life with these baby hairs, but I got it together as much as I could. So you already know you're just going to start by cutting them to a nice length, then curling them in a downward motion with your curling iron, like a 1-inch curling iron will do the trick. And then you just want to take some mousse and a comb. You want to apply that mousse to the top of that baby hair. And again, you just want to go in a C motion when you're doing your baby hairs. As much as you can, go in a C motion. It was a little difficult today. I was fighting for my life, okay? God had to come down and get right with me because I could not get these baby hairs together. again, just apply that mousse to the top of the hair and take your comb and just go in that C-like motion. I like this side better than the other side. For some reason. You can cut your baby hairs depending on how you get them. Always make sure to cut them as you're going, because you don't want them to look all long and goofy. I don't see some long and goofy ones, but yeah.
At the cemetery, see me dancing on all your corpse. Go, shout out to the dead, to the dead, to the dead. Shout out to the dead, to the dead, to the dead. Shout out to the dead, to the dead, to the dead.
Once I completed my baby hairs, I went back in and finished crimping the top of my head. That took another 18 hours. I'm playing with y'all, but it felt like it, okay?
Pussy, trademark in my brand new bitch. Yeah, hold up, hold up, sis. LLC the Glock, and I LLC my bitch. Cash me the rock, I go crazy on my kids. Had to tell my grandma sit back, relaxing shit. Nigga, buy her house and car, she's on the list.
And this is the final look, ladies. I'm really shocked by how this one came out. All right, if agree with me, put agree in the comment section if you think this is probably the best one I ever did. Go ahead, I won't be mad. Put agree, because I agree. But this is the finished product. This hair was nice and thick, shiny, no shedding. The lace was actually pretty thin. I really don't have any bad complaints about this. I plucked this junk to the quads. Baby hairs was a little off, but we're not gonna talk about that. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.
Check the surveillance camera at the cemetery, see me dancing on all your corpse. Go, shout out to the dead, to the